Peace and prosperity be unto all who's listening, watching. It's your girl, LaShaWright, and I'm back with another video. And I just want to say how much I love you all, and I hope you guys been having a prosperous year so far. So many amazing things are happening right now. I've found a few people who can help me promote my books, so I'm also on the right track, and I'm getting a lot of things accomplished. I'm about to start the free YouTube Academy. Somebody suggested it. I don't know why I haven't started it yet, but. And I'm also about to start a 7-day challenge with Sheen can nail. So that's what I'm working on. And I'm working on other things as well, expanding my business. I'm looking to invest in more e-commerce stores. But you know, with e-commerce stores, you got to invest in advertisement as well. So I'm looking to work on a lot of things. I'm also still working on my credit. I'm looking to get into business credit as well as personal. I have my personal credit working on, but I need business credit as well. So I'm looking to do so many amazing things, and I got so many different things that I want to accomplish. Still working on so much. But the biggest thing that I've been learning is like this. You know, like, even though things are not what you expect, they're always what they're supposed to be. And what I mean by that is you're always where you're supposed to be. And no matter what you're going through, it always is for a greater plan. Even if it's not your plan, even if the things that's going on in your life is not completely how you want them to be right now, the envisionment of your life may not be fully how you expect, but at least things are happening for you. You're experiencing the process, you're going through things, you're overcoming things, and that's the most beautiful thing about this journey, is knowing that no matter what you go through, you can always overcome it. Don't just get through things, overcome them, face them. Because if you don't, you'll have traumas, you'll have pains, you have, things that you don't overcome as a person. And those things will linger on to your adulthood. They'll linger on to your business, your personal relationships, and everything else. Work on yourself and be the best you can be. And I love you all. Hope you guys have a prosperous day. And I haven't been making really long videos here lately, but I'm really working on some new strategies and really trying to be more effective with my channel. But the only way I could do that is just figuring out what I want and how I'm going to go forward for the rest of this year. So, bye guys.